Assalamualaikum guys, today I'm here going to discuss the topic stability of complex. Now, it means that a complex exists under suitable or required condition that can be stored for a long time, but this can't be generalized to all complexes. One particular complex may be stable toward a reagent and highly reactive toward another reagent. Now, stability constant. It is also known as formation constant or binding constant. It is an equilibrium constant for the formation of complex in the solution that measures the strength of interaction between the reagents that come together to form a complex. There are mainly two kinds of complexes: compound formed by the interaction of metal ion with a ligand, and supramolecular complexes such as host gas complex and complexes of anion. The stability constant provides the information required to calculate the concentration of complexes in the solution. There are many areas of application in chemistry, biology, and medicine. History. The three scientists are three scientists had discovered the different method of stability constant. They explain us many kinds of the reaction methods of stability constant to determine the stability constant. Formation of complex. Formation of complex between metal ion M and a ligand could be written as this expression as a reaction metal plus ligand to metal into ligand, where K1 is the equilibrium constant for this reaction, and K2, K3 to so on Kn are the equilibrium constant, and these are also known as stepwise stability constant. Now the reactions for overall formation constant is this, where beta can be expressed as equilibrium constant instead of K. Beta 2, beta 1, beta 2, beta 2, beta n are the equilibrium constant for the overall formation constant. Overall stability constant. Bn is called as nth cumulative or overall formation constant. Any metal complex will be of greater stability if its stability constant has the high value. Sometimes the 1 over k value are alternative values of stability constant, and it is called instability constant. The interaction between stepwise and overall stability constant. This is the expression that express the relationship between stepwise stability constant and overall formation constant. Bn is actually equal to the product of successive stability constant K1, K2, K3. This is the sum of all equilibrium constant K, which is equal to each other. In other words, it is mean that the value of stability constant is made up of number of stepwise stability constants. Now let's see the method of determination of stability constant of the complexes. First method, spectrophotometric method. In this method we use UV visible spectrophotometer. It actually depends on the color of the compound. Through the definite color we determine the complex. Here is the solution of these that express the metal ion. Now Jerome methods, it is a stepwise method in which addition of ligand done to coordination sphere to form a complex, where M is the central metal cation, L is the monodentide ligand, N is equal to maximum coordination number for metal ion, M for the ligand. The complex is formed where K1, K2, K3 to Kn is a stepwise stability constant. Now the next method, biological method. In this, equilibrium concentration of ion studied. Determine the action of the organ in the system with complex formation. Rate method. If a complex is relatively slow to form and also decomposes at measurable rate, it is possible in favorable situations to determine the equilibrium constant. And out. Thank you.